Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamora Engineer desu. In this video, we will solve problem number 3. Okay, let us look at the problem number 3. So we have problem for number 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 divided by x plus 4. Okay, so we can have again, let's look for the different required for this problem. Okay, so first let us look for the zeros. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to negative 3. About whole, x plus 4 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to negative 4. So what else? We can tabulate. We can tabulate values. For example, x, y. Okay. So x is, for example, 0. What will happen if x is 0? 3, 4. X is equal to 1. What will happen? 4 over 5. That is 0.8. No? X is equal to 2. 5 over 6. What is 5 over 6? So 5 over 6, we can compute. Let us go to the Excel file and let us make a formula. So that is 3 and divide by same plus 4. So we have one, no? We put, so we have positive value, but 0.99. So what be equal to 1 is our solution. So 3. So values. For example, negative 1. What is the value if we have negative 1? The value is 0.667. Okay. About negative 2.5. Negative 3. So we have negative 3 there, no? So what will happen? So that will become 0, no? Because we have 0 here, no? What about negative 4? That is not allowed. Negative 4 is not allowed. undefined. Okay, undefined. About negative 5 is equal to 2, and so on. So if we are negative 10, so negative 10 is 1.167, no? Negative 100. Okay. Negative 100, 1.0104. Okay. Negative 10,000. Negative 100,000. So, very large value, 1 point something. Okay. It is not equal to 1, but so we have asymptote. So by making this, so we can analyze that we have asymptote. Okay. So we can graph the curve like this. So we have x 2, 3, 4, 5. So the value must be 1. So it just this ball 2, 4, 6, 8. This the value is 0, positive 0.75. So we have that. 1 is 0.8. So we have, and it will not reach 1. So this is the value of 1, so it will not reach 1. So we have an asymptote is equal to 1. Here, horizontal asymptote. We have a horizontal asymptote here. We have negative 1, that is positive 0.67. No? And if we have negative, that is equal to, so if we have negative 3, that is 0. We have negative 3 here, that is 0. So this is like this. That is like this, 0. So that is 0. We have 0 at negative 3. We have at negative 4. So x at negative 4. So how about negative 3.5? Okay, negative 3.5. What is the value? Negative 1. Negative 3, negative 4. So negative 2, negative 1. So this is negative 2. Negative 1 is here. That, no? And negative 3.75. Negative 3. And negative 4. The 3.9. So, yeah, x equal to negative 4 as our asymptote, and this is y is equal to 1 as our horizontal asymptote. Okay, so we have that. We already found out. So what else? So meaning, if those are the asymptote, we have here the value like this. Okay, so for example, if the value of x is negative 4.1, low, that is very high positive value, negative 4.1, very high positive value. So this is again hyperbolic, but this is the primary, the secondary. So we still have what, oblique, and we have to forgo with our oblique challenge, oblique asymptote, and instead choose this intersection. Okay, so we have here wait. Let's go back. So the intersection here of asymptote is actually the center of the hyperbola. The intersection is 1, negative 4 and 1. This one. That is the center of hyperbola. Similar to the previous example. Okay. So we have, okay, the following answer. Let us answer. Letter A, domain. Let us use this primary curve rather than this one. So what are the domain? X should be greater than negative 4 and up to what? Equal or less than infinity. So what is the range values here? So we have what? Negative infinity, but less than positive 1. So less than positive 1 here. That is the maximum value. Positive 1. Okay. And letter B, do we have a hole? Yes, we have a hole here at negative 2. Is that negative or negative 3? Negative 3, negative 4. Hole? We don't have a hole. This negative 4 is not a hole, but no hole. But we have vertical. This is vertical asymptote. So this one, this is vertical asymptote. This is not a hole. Okay, as we verified in our graph. Okay, so letter C. What is the question for letter C? Zeros pala. So this is letter C, hole, and letter B is zeros. Where are the zeros? Do we have a zero? Negative 3. So negative 3 here. So let us verify if there is 0. Yes, we have a 0 at -3. Okay, I have a 0 there. -3. You can verify there is 0 here. 0 is -3 and 0. Okay, that is our 0. That is letter B. And letter D, horizontal asymptote. Yes, we have horizontal asymptote. Y is equal to 1. Horizontal. We have oblique, no oblique.